Hi, I'm David Acton. I'm a product manager at Crestron, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to deploy Crestron Flex Pods using one of our custom integrator kits. And we'll see how easy they are to move around as your room and needs change. So let's get into it. Flex Pods are ready to go right out of the box. There's no complex setup needed. First, you add your Flex Pods hub to the network for updates or for PoE power. If you don't have PoE, it's no problem. Just use the included power supply. And then lastly, you'll connect the USB-C connection from your UC engine to the FlexPod hub. And finally, you'll power up the FlexPod. Now you're ready to pair your FlexPods to the hub. You'll start by pressing the pair button on the front of the hub for 2 seconds. Once it starts flashing, you know that you're in pairing mode. Next, you'll pick up your first pod and you'll hit the pair button. And then the lights on the top will also flash, indicating that it's pairing. Adding a second pod is just as easy. You simply go to the next pod and you grab the power supply for that, plug it in. Within seconds, this powers up. And then you can pair that one as well. And now we have both paired. Now that your Flex Pods are connected, it's easy to move them around the room as needed. Simply unplug a Flex Pod, move it to its new location, power it back up, and it's back online in seconds. Each Flex Pod has a coverage radius of 7.5 feet, so everyone can hear and be heard clearly, even in large conference rooms or multi-purpose spaces. It's just that easy. You set up Crestron Flex Pods. You're now ready to join your meeting. To learn more, visit Crestron.com.